Not yet. Jesus. Hey! Wait! Oh
What be this? What be this?
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
I don't want peace.
Blood of
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said
Some milk.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
A few moments later.
Jesus.
Stop partying your food. Stop partying your food. Look at this.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
He needs some milk.
I want problems always.
Y'all go help her. Yeah.